If you ever uploaded a video and got no traffic, this will fix that. According to YouTube, the #1 factor that influences people to click to watch a video is the thumbnail, and our tests prove that a good thumbnail will increase your views and traffic by up to 300%. Check out the increase in views that we got after testing a new custom thumbnail for this video, or for this video, or the traffic increase that I saw on my website. Creating breathtaking thumbnails that triple your views and traffic with Thumbnail Blaster is a piece of cake. For this example, I will go with this video. All you have to do is click on Next, and as you can see, the artificial intelligence algorithm analyzed our video and suggested us these 3 thumbnail templates. In this case, I will go with this thumbnail. It looks great. Click on Load Template, and that's it. Thumbnail Blaster extracted our title, downloaded the original thumbnail, and customized the whole template for us. If we want, we can simply use it as it is and save it. But let me show you how powerful our editor is. That's it. The thumbnail looks stunning. Let's save this and publish it to YouTube. There it is. The thumbnail that we just created in a few seconds is now published and active on our YouTube video. Just take a look on how it looked before and how it looks now. Amazing, right? You see, it's that easy to triple your click-through rate, your views, and your traffic. Start using custom thumbnails on your current and future uploads, and I'm sure you will see a massive spike in views and traffic. If you want to find out more about Thumbnail Blaster, just click the link below and check out all the amazing templates that we have and the other amazing features.